Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on wheat. Wheat is a type of crop that gives us flour. It is used to make bread, chapati and biscuits. Wheat plants grow in fields with lots of sunlight. Farmers harvest wheat when it turns golden brown. Wheat is one of the most important food grains in the world. It is rich in fiber and makes us strong and healthy. Wheat grows well in cool and dry weather. There are different types of wheat like whole wheat and white wheat. Many countries grow wheat including India, China and the USA. We should not waste wheat products because they are important food. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.